Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Weekend Roundup from us here at AUVSI. I just wanted to point out one story I thought was interesting. In Australia, they're using deep diving ROVs to pull some cargo containers off the bottom of the ocean. They fell off a ship in the summer due to a storm. So it's more than just trying to get your Xbox back in time for the holidays. It's interfering with fishing, so they need to get them up so the fishermen can return to work. And it's also, they're afraid that the stuff will start degrading and messing up the environment. So it's a perfect use for deep diving unmanned systems. And Brian, what have you got?
A lot of stuff to talk about with autonomous vehicles. So first, this week, Ford and Walmart announced a partnership to explore how self-driving vehicles could be used to deliver everyday goods to people. They will use the infrastructure of Postmates, which they're both a partner of, to establish a pilot program in which they will explore how Ford's self-driving vehicles can complement Walmart's current delivery services. Additionally, not too far away in Albemarle, Virginia, they plan on launching a autonomous shuttle service soon. The shuttle will operate autonomously and it will have a safety-trained transit ambassador on board to answer customer questions, offer required assistance, and take over as a driver if necessary. And last but not least, the East Valley Tribune published a very long and interesting piece on a company called Local Motors, which produces a shuttle called the AUVSI shuttle. The company has established a plant in Chandler, Arizona to manufacture the shuttles, and through its fleet challenge, it plans on distributing the shuttles to selected companies and organizations as early as January.
All right. Speaking of lengthy but timely articles, North Carolina State has a long interview with the Department of Interior about their use of drones to help with firefighting. So with everything, all the awful stuff that's going on in California, that's very timely. And now we have a special guest for you.
Hi, I'm Melissa Mirsky, AUVSI social media person. So I just wanted to come today and say thank you all for tuning in to the Weekend Roundup, and please make sure to share on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn so other people can see what's going on in the world of unmanned.
So stay in touch. But given that next week is a holiday, we will not be here next week, so we will see you the week after that. And for all our viewers in the United States, have a very happy Thanksgiving.